What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, say yesterday, people, the Jamaica Constabulary Force post a mail, you understand, who goes by the name of Orlando Lee. And them say on Tuesday, this mail come forgive him report people because him depend bail and things, so him fi do him thing where him come in a station and give him regular report and them something my people. So them say while this mail come inside the station, my viewers and subscribers, them notice say something buffing him waist. So them say while them attempted to come sa boom fi grab him and, you know what I mean, search him and think people, he managed to ease back, pull in peace and fire shots in the police station and run off, my viewers and subscribers. So after that, the police listed this man as armed and dangerous, my people, and them say him need to turn himself over to the nearest police station. So now, my viewers and subscribers, today and up on a Thursday, a video was sent to me, my people, with a male attack, and basically this male claimed to be the person who was at the police station over there in Manchester, my viewers and subscribers. See? Well, them cover him face, you understand. I don't know if the original video was released so them face no cover people, but based on the video that was sent to me, people, face cover up and thing. And I'm going to share this clip with you, my viewers and subscribers, with this man speaking. And you think and comment in the section, you know, if it makes sense what he must say or what, my viewers and subscribers, because he must say something totally different from the statement where the police them give and why he was listed wanted by them people and to turn himself over to the nearest police station. So just watch this, my people, then we drop back in.
What happened at the Cross Keys police station yesterday?
Well, hear me as a Vice magazine. Yesterday, the 25th of January, I went to report at the Cross Keys police station in Manchester. And after reaching at the Cross Keys police station and handing over my book, I realized that one of the policemen was moving some type of way, meaning he was whispering to the next one. He was looking at me, holding up his gun and them thing. So anyway, he tell me if he step in, to come sign. After stepping in, to go sign, the next police pop off him gun, grab me up. So I have to flash him off. And flash go outside now. And I say, what is? The man that did not umpire his magazine more than start fire shot after me. Over my head. Because I can't see any here go over my head towards me, the umpire his magazine. Me tell you about police officer in a station yard. Yeah. So anyway, the car I'm forward and hear the shot them a fire, the man went there and drive off. Me have to know I run down the car in a station yard by the magazine, jump on the car, hang on nearly kill myself. Just to save my life. I remember me and wanted man in the magazine. He's just a little producer we are trying to do my thing. Yes, so me want to ask Mr. Commissioner and Honorable Horace John. So if I saw police I go to work, or if I saw them supposed to go to work. Because when I first, you know, things like this happening. So me have to ask, me want to ask. Yeah.
We also got information that you were wrongfully charged on Grand Market Day, that's the 23rd of December. What causes that?
Well, in regards to that in a Vice magazine, I tell you the truth now. I don't even know. Only thing, I just know, I go in the town, that a Grand Market Day, I go in the town to get some things for me youth. Do look shopping, you know, big deal that for everybody. So me say no, I'm going to look at one shirt for myself. Police them come grab on for me. Bring me gas station, say me enough in the town. So me never know what it was about, Vice magazine. Anyway, them grab on for two more, some of the same thing. when they had some other police a lick out on what them a do, them say them nah let we go so. Them have to charge if I have a mass. And you know why wicked this thing about the Vibes magazine? Suppose me tell you say me did have on my kerchief tie up over my face. Yeah, kind I told me there, I know say the corona out there. Kerchief over my face and thing. And that they eventually charge me for. Although never that them bring me in for. Yeah, man.
Some viewers and subscribers on a real level. You hear what this man in this video have to say, my viewers and subscribers, and it is alleged to be Orlando Lee, the man who is wanted by the police down there in Jamaica, my people, over there in Blenheim District, Manchester. Zin, and the police them say something totally different, people. He must say, him comes a boom, and whatever happen, people, and him notice police a point gun and this, and whatever happen, police start fire shot, and him have to run for jump and car and this, and one heap of different something. And when the person do ask him, say, yo, what happened on Christmas Eve there, he like him must say, him didn't even know what happened. But based on information that the police them put out, people, it's an illegal possession of firearm. That's the matter why he's coming in to report the station and all of that, why him there on bail people for illegal possession of firearm. See? So, right now, my people, are two different stories we are here. So right now, my viewers and subscribers, and I really don't know what to believe, my people. I'm trying to make sense out of it, my people, and I can't really make sense. And I'm saying, so why him go station for give him report, my people? What would be the problem why these police that just want to come so boom and, you know, just fire shot off him for no reason at all, for nothing? You understand why? What could that be the reason? And for your police station, I don't know what type of police station is this, because normally I know say you always find some citizens that somewhere if you say some things, my people, you always find that. And if police literally just a fire shot, you know what I mean, in a station yard and them something people, while another person is there with a car that wait for you, basically that person who have the car, people, must can come give a report too. You understand, and give a statement for say, yo, and I saw it go or whatever. You understand, my people? But that part is just really hard to believe a person. And I don't know if really is this person Orlando Lee really speaking in this video. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, because me I say, if the police list your face out, they say you want it. Post up all of these pictures, I want to ask my people. Why they would have covered the faces me as a people? This video was sent to me. Don't know if the original one posted, people. Based on the fuck everything. People face cover up, face hide. So me have to think, me have to wonder, my viewers and subscribers. See? And for the police version of the whole thing, my people. See? Because we have to look on different angles now. If the police them do say, he fire shots at them in the station, my people, that there must be special. So when whoever come out to do them investigations and check people, they can must find these special, and then when no say it's from an illegal gun or something, it come from the people or whatever. See? And they must can see, you know, so there's a lot to this, my viewers and subscribers. And on a real level, I don't know if this police station have camera, but me believe say every police station in Jamaica have camera, my people. Every station yard have camera. In the station need to have camera. That is my belief, my viewers and subscribers. In because if them did have camera footage, camera could have tell everything, you know. You understand, they need to go into details and go into this and go into that, my people. But on a real level, honestly, if him really going at the station, people, and pull gun and fire at the police, them, he's a madman. He's a sickhead. Because if him forgot to do him regular report, my people, when him forgot they and just do him report, what could have been the reason why him want to take out an illegal piece and fire shots at the police, them? See? And for the police, them now, my people, you understand, if them say something in them waist and them notice, you know, something look buff up in them waist and something, of course, them are going to try to forget it, my people. But me I say, so why am I going to give a report and I go in a station with illegal piece? That means he's a sick man, he's a madman. He made no good, my people, and a straight attack for him. But as I say, people, this is a whole mix-up thing. Honestly, it's a whole, because you hear two different sides of the story, you hear two different things, my viewers and subscribers, and I don't know what to believe. See, because him say him have a person who did out there and him have to jump and carry and could have dead and them something, my people. So this person should have been the main witness, and I'm saying it's in the day and people and in the night, like them say in the night and in the day. So where nobody in the station yard, nobody, no other body, not see nothing, my people. Boy, this needs some thorough investigation, my people. Some deep investigation have to go dig into this one for them can really crack this one, my people. But me attacking boss myself, I cannot crack it, my people, because yo, a two different side of story, me, yeah, my people. Two different side. The police them give a different side. Orlando Lee, who is the wanted man who was listed by the Manchester police down there, my people, I give a different side, my people. So what to believe? Only Jah sees and he knows. So my people, big up on the cell, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comment. And please remember to do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. You don't know, my people. One attack, one scheme, one dream, one team. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK.